Now I'm going to use this Frylight nothing artificial 1 calorie spray extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. It's just 1 cal per spray, like it says in the bottle. I'm just going to put like 5, maybe 6, 7. Add my 220 grams of chicken breast. In that goes. I'm going to let that fry off until it kind of looks white. So all the pink bits are basically gone. And then all I'm going to do is add these vegetables after I've added like a small teaspoon of this Jamaican jerk for the chicken. And then I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and then I'll add hummus as well. And I will measure this out in grams so I know roughly where this meal is calorie-wise. If you wanted to mix this up, you can literally use a different seasoning, personal preference with the vegetables. I've gone red cabbage, spring onion, cherry tomatoes and spinach. With the seasoning, it will taste absolutely banging. One of the quickest and easiest dishes you'll be able to do. If you want to replicate this for a meal prep, 5 lunches, cook 5 chicken breasts and do the same with the vegetables. Any seasoning that you add, you can mix up. Hummus is great, but please do track your hummus because it is quite calorie dense.